If you've ever been on TikTok, then you've probably heard the Airbnb haters say things like,
these people don't want to be good hosts, they want to be landlords.
And things like,
yo, I tried to go back in the house, the door's locked.
And things like,
one of the times we walked into the kitchen and there was mold on the ceiling.
And things like this.
Book a hotel, it is so much better.
And things like that.
It's actually not that much cheaper than a hotel.
And even major hotel chains are starting to throw a little shade at Airbnb hosts too.
When you'd rather enjoy the pool than clean someone else's.
What is that?
For whatever reason, prospective guests just can't compute that we have to charge a cleaning fee so that we can pay our cleaners a fair living wage, which for many of my Airbnbs come out to about $20 to $50 per hour. Many of these prospective guests often comment on TikTok or my YouTube channel saying that they'd rather stay at a hotel, where cleaning staff are routinely paid minimum wage or $7.25 an hour. But that is neither here nor there. The point is that whether we as hosts like it or not, hotels have a competitive advantage because of the optics that guests don't have to pay a cleaning fee. Even though they totally are, but that cleaning fee is just baked into the nightly rate. So today we're gonna work on how to use these exact hotel tactics and how to bake your cleaning fee into your nightly rate so that it appears significantly lower to your guest, thus driving more bookings. So let's jump into this 5-minute hack that you can do right now to get more bookings. Let's take a look at this listing here. I've got the cleaning fee set to $225, and as you can see, the total before taxes is $1,407. Now, I'm gonna make a quick change, so hold on. All right, so check it out. I'm gonna refresh, and now you'll see that for those same dates, my cleaning fee is now $125, but make note that the total before taxes is still $1,407. So as you can see, my cleaning fee is reduced, but my actual payout is still the same. Now I know you're probably thinking, well, how the heck did you do that? Let me show you. So whenever you're adjusting any of the price settings in your Airbnb listing, one thing to keep in mind is you're never gonna make the changes from inside of the listing like this. I always see a lot of people looking for the cleaning fees in the listing editor, and Airbnb changed that a few years ago. It's kind of confusing, it's kind of annoying. So you're gonna go over to calendar here. You're gonna go over to your specific listing right here, okay, pink pickle. And then on the right, you're gonna see all of your settings here. And this is where you can actually customize your settings. So you'll scroll to the very bottom where it says additional charges, because I guess a cleaning fee is an additional charge now. You'll click on fees, and you'll see that originally my cleaning fee here was set to $225. Now, if you want to get a little sneaky here and use these hotel tactics, here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna drop your cleaning fee to whatever you feel is gonna be more palatable to your guest. In my instance, I feel like $125 is a pretty big steal for this property. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath that can host up to 12 people. Similar listings are gonna run anywhere from $200 to $225. So for me, $125 seems pretty good. And here's the trick. We're gonna scroll down to the bottom here, and there's this little section right here called the management fee. And that is where we're gonna put that extra $100 that I took off of the $225. And so when we do that, we're gonna now add that $100 that I took off of the cleaning fee, and we're gonna hit save. Now here's how this works. Whenever you add a management fee, that management fee is now gonna get added to your reservation, but it's gonna be spread out over the nightly rate of your Airbnb. I'll show you what I mean here. So we're looking at the original listing where the cleaning fee was $225. And as you can see, for these specific dates, my property is listed at $504 a night. Now watch what happens when I go in and I make the change that I just showed you. When we hit refresh, check it out. That $100 is now gonna be divided over the nightly rate, so $554. There is now an additional $50 on each night. It's a 2-night reservation, 50 plus 50 is $100. So there's a bunch of different ways you can do this. You can mark down your cleaning fee $50, $100, $150. It's totally up to you. Just keep in mind that it will inflate your nightly rate because we're now taking that management fee and spreading it out over the dates of a reservation. And there you go, a simple little hack to reduce your cleaning fee significantly, but still make the same amount of money. So let's talk about the philosophy here and why this is important. If you're comparing apples to apples on competitive listings, meaning 2 listings look pretty much identical, people will absolutely? What? People will absolutely choose the listing with the lower cleaning fee. It just matters to them. And even if you aren't comparing like-kind Airbnbs, many guests will not book a place with a high cleaning fee simply out of principle. People just don't like it because there's this stigma around Airbnb cleaning fees and guests being asked to do all of these crazy tasks when they check out, like repainting the house, mowing the yard, reshingling the roof, mopping, all that stuff. There's just this inflammatory TikTok narrative that has really turned people off to cleaning fees. This specific strategy has been super helpful on really premium listings like my Scottsdale property, where my cleaning fee is $750. Like, it actually cost me $750, and that's so high. So before I used to do this little trick, I marked my cleaning fee down from $750 to $700, and I would just eat the $50 loss every single reservation. But now, since we've implemented this new little hack, what we've done is we've dropped my cleaning fee from $750 down to $450, and we've added a $300 management fee that gets spread over the course of the reservation, making the overall cleaning fee feel far more reasonable. If you've ever been to Las Vegas and booked a hotel, you're probably used to seeing a resort fee on your bill. On your bill. Your alley? Your alley, McBeal? Okay, this is so dumb. All right, on your bill. Same thing, that's basically what they're doing here. A resort fee just covers their operating expenses, which is exactly what housekeeping is, an operating expense. Longest build up to a joke ever. Lastly, anytime I talk about this sneaky little tip, lots of people will say, well, why not remove the cleaning fee altogether and bake it into your nightly rate via management fee? And you could totally do that. I'm sure that works as well. It's not something that I do, but I have my own reason for it. And that reason is that I just like having a low cleaning fee because I like to bring attention to my low cleaning fee compared to my competitors' higher cleaning fee. I kind of feel that by removing it altogether, it may get lost in the sauce a little bit and may go unnoticed and unappreciated. Whereas if it's like $50, like it is on my Joshua Tree listing, that cleaning fee is actually $90, but I've added a $40 management fee, so my cleaning fee looks like it's only $50. I want guests to see that and think, whoa, $50, that is dirt cheap. That's so dang reasonable that people just kind of have to book because they feel like they're getting a deal. And the last point that I want to make here is that you should never, and I repeat, never be the highest cleaning fee in your market, respective to the competitive listings in your neighborhood. This will just hurt your conversion and drive down your booking. So no matter how you decide to shimmy your cleaning fee, just at a bare minimum, make sure that you're not the highest cleaning fee. I really do think that will affect you when someone's examining 3 or 4 Airbnbs. They're turned off by the cleaning fee to begin with. They see that yours is higher than everyone else's. It'll just make it easier for them to pull you out of the mix first, which obviously we don't want because we're here to make money, right? If you liked this video and you found it useful, do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Maybe it's here. I don't really know. Somewhere over here. Go and shimmy those like and subscribe buttons if you will. What am I, from the 1950s? We'll get some overhead lifters and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Just hit the subscribe button, okay? Also, if you want more tips, then I would definitely recommend that you check out this video right here where I will teach you how to curate and craft the ultimate Airbnb listing that will make you tons of money in new bookings. It is very good and very comprehensive, so go check that out after you like and subscribe. Bye. 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 See ya. Boy. 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 Bye.